All right, everything is running. Sweet. What's going on, guys? So I know a lot of you guys are looking for a Wreck by Creebo video today. Not going to be coming out, sadly. There's no catastrophic things going on. I'm going to put an update video kind of letting everybody know where Wreck by Creebo it is because we are a week or so out from the next episode. If you guys don't know what Wreck by Creebo it is, it's my motorcycle build series that we fund via Patreon. There's a couple episodes left, I think 3 total, and when I get done building the bike, we're going to be giving it away to one of the fans of the series. So if you guys want to find out how to get a bike, we're literally giving it away. So I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check that out. But perfect segue. I got a call the other day from Mountain Motorsports. Mountain Motorsports is the motorcycle dealer here in North Georgia that lets me ride pretty much any bike they have, and that's where I do my first rides at. So I got a call from those guys the other day, and they're like, hey, we're going to have a carbon fiber H2 in here for a couple days. Do you want to come check this thing out? If you guys don't know, the H2 is Kawasaki's just monster of a machine. It's like a 1000cc supercharged just beast. It's the same bike Do It With Dan has. But this is a carbon fiber one. I personally did not even know they had a carbon fiber H2. So naturally, when Mountain Motorsports is like, hey, you want to come check this bike out? I'm like, yeah, absolutely. Didn't even know that existed, so I would love to see what that looks like. And doing what I do, I was like, you know what? If I've never seen a carbon fiber H2 and did not even know they existed, I bet you guys would like to check it out too. So this video is super simple. I went to Mountain Motorsports, I took this camera, I took a gimbal, and I took this light. And here's what I came up with. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And yeah, carbon fiber H2. So there's that. And guys, that's the end of the video. I have no product to push you to. I have no blog post to get you to go check out. It's just a highlight video of a carbon fiber H2. I do like the idea of this series though. It's literally a light, my camera, and a gimbal, and I get to go make a cool little music video thing. So if you guys like this thing, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, Mountain Motorsports is always getting like these really nice, expensive bikes that I could just go in and check out. Or I guess people could email me if they had like a photo or a really cool bike that they had. I could maybe go do a highlight of that bike and put it to some music. If you guys let me know, I will do it if you are interested. And guys, I'm Chase on Two Wheels. This has been an unknown and unnamed series that may or may not continue. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Later. This is typically where I would roll out, but I'm kind of... Roll out. Me and my homies. Alright, that's our crew. Do we like the red in the background? I think it's cool.